Hi everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to download and install Viber for your mobile application. So first of all, you open the Google Play Store. You can download the Viber in Google Play Store for the Android users. For iOS devices, you can tap open the Apple Store on your device and there you can search for the Viber app. So once you open the Google Play Store, you tap on search bar and type in Viber. Then tap on search. You can see the application on the very top. Now you need to tap on install beside it and wait for the application to be downloaded. Viber is an instant messaging software application where you will be able to freely and securely make calls and messages to anyone anywhere. Viber is a secure, private, fun messaging and calling app connecting over 1 billion of people worldwide. The application has been completely downloaded. Now you just need to tap on open, and with that you have successfully downloaded the Viber application for your mobile device. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.